I'm starting now. Add some common mistakes that we often make when we are using the present continuous tense. Okay? And also look at how we are going to correct them. I'm going to look at this. Yeah. Sometimes when we speak, we forget to use the to be word. The to be word which needs to be spoken before using the word, the verb, the action word. Okay. So for instance, my brother watching the movie. It conveys the meaning of the sentence. It communicates to you what my brother is doing, but it is an incorrect sentence. So in this case, what should have been written here? My brother is watching the movie. So the to be word that was missing is. Or for example, Amit not helping. Here again, we say Amit is not helping. Okay? Or we could say Amit isn't helping. So we can use the contracted form and say isn't helping. We contract is and not together and we say isn't helping. Or sometimes we the to be is missing in a question. You just use the subject and the verb, and that is he going, which is incorrect, because when we are using the question, we need to use the to be word before the subject. So we write, is he going? That's your correct sentence. Sometimes when we are using sentences or when we are talking, we use the incorrect verb, and very often this happens. Okay? For instance, Mary and Chris is driving home. Here, the to be word should be not is. We should write are driving home because there are two of them. Okay? So we say Mary and Chris are driving home. Okay? Or she ain't studying. This again, ain't is not the correct to be word. It should have been she is not studying or she isn't studying. Is not is contracted to form isn't. So when we bring these two words together, we remove the O is removed, put an apostrophe in its place and write the T. So isn't, she isn't studying. So that is the correct form of the to be verb. Sometimes the verb itself is incorrect. So in this sentence, he is do his homework, which is incorrect. The do is the verb, but it should have been written as doing. Okay, it's ing has to be added to the verb to make it a simple continuous tense. Okay, or the match is start now. Again, start verb should have been written as the match is starting now. Sometimes there are spelling errors that we make. For example, the word lying. As I told you earlier, lie is ending in IE. So we drop the two letters IE and add Y instead of IE. So this should have been written as LYING. Okay? They are lying. Or if the word is ending in a consonant, verb, and consonant, for example, sit. Sit is the verb, okay, which has ended in a consonant, verb, vowel and a consonant, okay. I is a vowel,
S is a consonant, T is a consonant. So when a verb ends with a consonant, vowel, and a consonant, what do? We double the last letter and add ing. So here you see that it's only one T is written. We should have written SITTING. Okay. And when any word is written as right, ending in E. So for instance, this was right was ending in E. We drop the E. The E is dropped and ing is added. So here we've written writing, which is incorrect. We should write WRITING. That is the correct verb to be used in present continuous tense. Here there's an error in the contraction. It says we are going to the market, not were. What has happened here is the apostrophe is missing. So it should have been we apostrophe RE. We are going to the market. Okay? Because it's a contracted form that is used here. And some of the common mistakes we make is when we are using the stative verbs. And I told you stative verbs are verbs which describe your feelings, your mental ability, your emotional status, your needs and wants. So whenever those are expressed, then we do not use the present continuous tense. We use only the present simple tense. Okay? So in this sentence, it is, I am needing some water. We cannot use this. This is incorrect. We should say, I need some water. Okay? Again, I am wanting to visit Dubai. Again, it is incorrect because it is talking about your need, your wants, okay? Your emotional status. It's a stative verb. So we do not say I am wanting to visit. I want to visit Dubai. So we'll write want instead of I am wanting. And also, when we are talking about something that is permanent, we use the present simple tense and not the present continuous tense. So if we are talking about our factory that makes cloth bags, we cannot say we are making cloth bags. We say we make cloth bags because that's what you do on a permanent basis. Okay. I hope I'm clear with this. Okay, so let's review what we have learned. We have learned the positive statements, how to write the positive in simple continuous tense, what needs to be used in the positive statements, that is your subject, to be word, the verb plus ing. So if I'm writing this here, you will write it subject plus to be plus verb plus ing. In a negative sentence, what is to be written? A not has to be added. In all negative sentences, we are just adding a not. And in a question, the to be word is written before the subject. So here you will be writing the to be word and then the subject plus the verb plus ing. Okay,
So that is all for today. I hope you will review what you have learned today, practice it, and come back for the next session. Have a good day.